Hi, welcome back. It's 8:20. I never set the date last time, so it's January 24th, and I'm continuing this devlog. I just ate dinner, and my computer, which had a sudden shutdown, is now back up and running. The battery's at 48%, so we probably can. I'm hoping we can get through tonight's session without my Mac shutting down again. Last thing, we were about to compile, so I have to get the Mac working again. Let's do that now. Yeah. Right. Let's close that connection. Open this connection. There we go. We want to scale. And we also want view only. Then on the Mac, I have to connect like so. There we go. What was I going to do? Yeah, now in Xcode, I can open my favorite project. It's probably this one. We'll have to check. Yeah, this is an old shortcut. I bet some new Mac users don't know. If you hold the command button and click on a title, you usually can see where a file comes from. Works in the Finder as well. So this is on my Ubuntu box, so that's good. And we've built, and we're trying to fix these errors. Yeah, and the last error was these. I was trying to deal with the fact that these guys are protected. Effect entity. Not effect entity. Normal physics entity. Yeah. So I will need a get size and it would be good to have a get velocity, get size, and get position. So let's change this get size to a vector 3 star. Wrong. Filter vec 3 star. So one of these, and one of these. So get vel. Okay. And defining them, fortunately, is going to be very easy. Let's just make sure we don't have a get size. I'm pretty sure we don't because we checked. And right above the draw self. Well, right above these calls. Yeah, here's a good place. So that's return and size. And this is return and pos. And this will be simply return and vel. Simple as that. Let's use these calls. So we will need to have a few. So I did say before, I don't like putting stars in front of the names, the variable names, but this is the case where it's useful. And this is the kind of case where it's meant to be used, I think, this way. So star vel, star, star in vel, star in pos, star in size. There we go. So now I don't need these pointers anymore. I just say in vel. Yeah. In pos. in pos. I don't need the reference, I guess. I don't need to take the reference. Okay. And here we have in size. And again. Yeah, and this will be simply in size. Yeah, so it's interesting. In C++, this would have been legal. This type of member variable access, because they both would share the same superclass that has this field. Okay, and that's it. Let's try building and see what happens now. There's probably some more errors. Just a couple. Duplicate declaration of get path. So did I make two? Get pos. There's only one here. Get pos. Only, oh, there is two. Yeah, so get rid of this one. I thought I did a search for that. Oh, it was get size that I did. Yeah, that's right. Alright, so we still failed, and effect entity is now the one. So we've moved on. Yeah, so line 153, undeclared identifier. Right here. This is a funny place. Ah, right. Like this. Alright, let's try that again. Now that we've fixed the brackets. So vel is protected. Apparently I'm still accessing vel. Yeah, later on we do access vel. But right now, before we forget, yeah, we need to do that's writable pointers for physics. So that is inval equals, yeah, let's fin this. So this can go here too, and that will make it a lot cleaner. So inval equals in entity, and that's just get vel. Like that, and we say get pos, get size, and pos, align those. Now we search for vel because it's used somewhere else. Right here. Okay, so this vel, this is in a different function, right? This is in collide with. So what we need to do is, this is the only place we modify velocity. So this is what we do. We say, please give me a filter vec3, a pointer called inval, and we request that inval from other, or m in entity. Doesn't matter. Once the code is compiled, m in entity get vel. Space it out there. Yeah, so most of this code will just be directly changing the value of inval. like so, and we can copy that. Can I just paste? Oh, I hit the wrong button. Oops. Control Y for yank. Control Y for yank. Wait a minute, wait a minute. What was that? It doesn't delete. Maybe there's a command to do that. I know if you press delete, it'll take it away. I think. No, there was a... I forget what it is. Besides Control W, there's another command to get that stuff out. Anyway, this will work fine. Let's see if that does the trick. I am thinking it'll do it for this file and maybe the whole thing. Okay, so that succeeded. I don't know what happened if we run it. I think we're not done yet. There's something else, right? I was saying, I think I was in the update call. I was like, so this will just shrink the thing and eventually delete it or remove it from our, take it out of our site. Okay, let's just run it, because this will do the drawing, and that is important, no? So, I wonder if I can move the camera so it's easier for me to hold. Yeah. So why don't we just sing into the mic? But it's not working. Hello. Okay, that seemed to work. So it's going in, and that didn't work. Okay. I don't know why it's so... Well, I was right against the mic. That sounds weird. I don't know. I might want to look at that effect again. Okay, well, I'll stop it there. Obviously, it didn't work the way we thought it would. We ceased to see this, the child being drawn. I'm not sure if draw children gets called automatically. Let's look in... Yeah, let's look. Does this have a draw call? Has a draw self, but not a draw call. Yeah. So I'm going to look in filter entity, because that's where the draw call is. So we push the matrix, we draw ourselves, then we draw the child. Yeah. Yeah, that sounds about right, because we're not pushing any... We pop all the matrices we push for draw self. So this should really work. This should draw the children on top of the parent. The only thing I could think of is that the size goes down way too quick. So let's change that. K pix input K input. Yeah, I'm going to change this to 0.5 because it's really units, it's not pixels. And if that's true, I'll change the name. I'll change the name right now. Yeah, so this should be units. Thing is running, but because the noise